Ka East-West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka ba Duna tam, but she's pa percent ka jinyo kam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Frank Yamaha hakan riu tare ujemang arajar alpun riu kala pelat Paidbah ya ka Fascino 125 hybrid batamai ka badai ka Scooty batamai ka bapinya so lang ya ka durbi internet bat ka technology hybrid ka batibed. Ya ka ni ka Fascino 125 hybrid ka bala snacker pang na kabenta ki nongnya ki bamenta ringkat ka jing Duna bam Petrol ka jing kiu start ka ba jam bat klan ba bat ka jing skor tenat banya la pelat Paidbah ha ka jing lang ka bala penlong ha Tripura Heritage Club Shillong. Kabenta bukongsan jong ka Fascino 125 hybrid kada ya ka jing don ka smart motor generator system SMG ka Scooty ka don ru ya ka engine 125cc BS6 compliant ka ba ai ka jing ya dai ka ba biang hapadang ka bor bat ka jing pendon kam Petrol hakalyang ka jing penwandur ka Fascino 125 hybrid kadang beteng ban penpau ya ka dor European style ka ba itanan ka don ki benta chrome ki rong ki babha bat ka dor ka ba curvy ka ba penlong ya ka ban kring ya ki nongnya.
This is the new Yamaha Fino 125 Fi hybrid, where timeless design meets modern technology. At its heart lies a 125cc blue-core hybrid engine, engineered to deliver not just performance, but efficiency, refinement, and responsiveness. With enhanced power assist, the Fascino responds instantly, giving you that extra boost exactly when you need it, whether it's a city traffic or uphill rides. And with a mileage of nearly 68 km per litre, it ensures that every ride is as economical as it is enjoyable. But what truly sets the Fascino apart is how it feels. At just around 99 kg, it is one of the lightest scooters in its category, making it effortless to handle, effortless to ride, and effortless to laugh. Add to that, start and stop system, smart motor generator system, Bluetooth connectivity with Y-Connect, and what you get is not just a machine, but a smart connected riding experience. Now let's talk about where we are. Shillong. Shillong is not just a city. It is a rhythm, culture, elevation, and expression. And the Fascino fits the lifestyle perfectly. Its lightweight body makes it ideal for Shillong hilly roads and sharp turns. The hybrid assist ensures smoother pickup on inclines and gradients. Its fuel efficiency makes daily commuting economical in a city that moves constantly. And most importantly, its design speaks the language of Shillong, stylish, unique, and expressive. Because here, people don't just ride, they make a statement every time they step out, and Fascino understands that. This is not just a scooter built for the road, this is a scooter built for your personality, for your style, for your confidence, and for your everyday expression. Because in a city like Shillong, we don't follow trend, we create them. And with the new Yamaha Fascino, we don't just ride, we arrive. Thank you.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam Duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya